The number 8 northeast gale or storm signal is now in force. The observatory issued the black rainstorm warning signal at 4 a.m. Also, the special announcement on flooding in the northern New Territories, landslip warning and thunderstorm warning are also in force. Let's take a look at the latest about Typhoon Koinu. At 4 a.m., Typhoon Koinu was centered about 100 kilometers to the southwest of the Hong Kong Observatory. Koinu is forecast to move west at about 10 kilometers per hour, edging closer to the western part of the Pearl River estuary. Intense rain bands associated with Koinu are affecting the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary. From the radar imagery, we can see that in the past few hours, rain bands have been continuously sweeping Hong Kong from east to west, leading to sustained heavy rain. Locally, since midnight, more than 100 millimeters of rainfall were recorded over many places, and rainfall even exceeded 150 millimeters over Kowloon East and Tseung Kwan O. The radar imagery also shows that the rain bands of Koinu extend 200 kilometers to the east of its center, and the rain bands will persistently affect the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary this morning and brings squalls to the region. Winds may be occasionally up to gale force. The gale or storm signal number 8 will remain in force at least until 11 a.m. today. Locally, there will be heavy squally showers and thunderstorms today. Please continue to take precautions against high winds and flooding and beware of landslip dangers. As seas are still very rough and there are swells, please stay away from the shoreline and low-lying areas. Don't engage in water sports activities.